I am Colonel Akhilesh Kumar Pandey, Postmaster General Sikkim State and North Bengal region. We had started 2 days philatelic exhibition. This is a district level exhibition, Gangtok PAX 2024. So aim of this exhibition is to display a number of stamps, commemorative postage stamps, special covers, first day covers, and any postal stationery relating to Department of Post. So we have invited all government schools and public schools of Gangtok and around to encourage their children to participate this exhibition. If I have to tell you the highlights of the exhibition, so we have displayed penny black, that is the world first postage stamp. So that is on display, and second is first stamp of India, that is Sindh Dock, also displayed. So this is the highlight because these are the oldest stamps of the world and our country. So besides that, we have displayed stamps relating to women empowerment, 150 years of Mahatma Gandhi, and we have display of a stamp relating to Army Postal Services and Indian Army also. And philatelist, collector of stamps, not only of Sikkim state, of Cooch Behar, Darjeeling and North Bengal region, they have participating and they have displayed their exhibits. Apart from that, one girl from Holy Cross School, Gangtok, and few children of North Point School, Darjeeling, their exhibits are also on display. And apart from that, we have a stamp, commemorative postage stamp issued on Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Mandir. That is the special attraction, so that not only has been displayed, that is available for sale also. So apart from eminent philatelists, school children of Gangtok and around, they have participated and they have displayed their exhibits. So in totality, if I have to say, we have 44 frames, so 88 sides, and even we have a few frames dedicated to Sikkim. So that is a special cover issued relating to Sikkim and stamps issued to Sikkim. So yesterday we had a few interesting activities and program for children, like we had a letter writing competition. So huge number of students participated, and subject was Post Office in 2047. So again after that we had a stamp design competition, because here every time we are saying this is philatelic exhibition. So with a special focus on how to design a stamp and all. So we had a stamp design competition. So save tree, save life. And of course, there are many philatelists and school children, they have displayed their exhibits. So in today's program, so we have jury. So they have evaluated their exhibits, quality and content. So based on their assessment, today they will be honored, awarded. So in today's concluding program, so we will be giving away the prizes, medals to the winners, and apart from we will be giving few other Department of Post awards also. Like after Tista floods, so the postal services was disturbed only for 2 days. So Despite all constraint and all, our chaps went to Chungthang, Lachung, Lacheng, even we used the Air Force chopper. So they will be also awarded as male warriors, because they were instrumental in restoration of postal services. Apart from now, we have, the Aadhaar Kendras in post offices. So we have mobile Aadhaar kit, and our Gangtok head post office chap, he goes to people at their doorstep and updating Aadhaar. And apart from that, we are promoting Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana in villages also. So our some village postmaster, they will also be honored, because they have covered all girl children, eligible girl children under Sukanya Samriddhi account. And we had drive for opening of PM Kisan accounts also.